Did you know that your eyes are the second most complex organ in your body after your brain? That's right, they have over 2 million moving parts. Our eyes are one of the most important and delicate organs in our body. But unfortunately, our eyes are also very vulnerable to damage from various factors, such as sunlight, screen time, stress, aging, and poor nutrition. All these factors can affect our vision quality and lead to eye strain, irritation, infections, and other serious eye diseases. But what if I told you that there are some special foods that can actually protect your eyes and repair your vision? These special foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other compounds that can fight inflammation, boost blood circulation, and nourish your retina, lens, and optic nerve. In short, these foods can help you see better, clearer, and longer. In this video, we're going to reveal the 10 best foods that can protect your eyes and improve your vision according to studies. We will also share with you how much to eat and how to easily add them to your diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Carrots. Let's start with the most obvious one. Carrots are well known for being good for your eyes. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is a type of plant pigment that gives carrots their orange color. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in your body, which is essential for healthy vision. Vitamin A helps your retina function properly and protects your eyes from damage caused by blue light. It also helps your eyes to convert light into signals that can be transmitted to your brain, enabling you to see in dim light. According to a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology, people who ate a lot of carrots regularly had a 40% lower risk of developing AMD than those who ate the least. So how can you add more carrots to your diet? It's easy. You can eat them raw as a snack, dip them in hummus or salsa, grate them into salads or sandwiches, roast them with herbs and spices, blend them into soups or smoothies, or even bake them into muffins or cakes. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are not only a great source of protein, but they also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are two antioxidants that are found in high concentrations in your macula, which is the central part of your retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter out harmful blue light and prevent oxidative damage to your eye cells. According to studies, they also reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma, which are some of the leading causes of blindness worldwide. For example, in a recent study done in 2019, researchers found that participants who ate 1 egg per day for 5 weeks had improved visual acuity and contrast sensitivity by about 10%. Another study done in 2016 found that eating 12 eggs per week for 3 months increased the levels of lutein in the blood by 28% and zeaxanthin by 142%. Eggs are very versatile and can be cooked in many ways. You can boil them, poach them, scramble them, or make an omelette. You can also add them to salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, or baked goods. Just make sure you eat the whole egg, as the yolk contains most of the eye-protecting nutrients. Number 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only a decadent treat, but also a treat for your eyes. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are a type of antioxidant that can help improve blood flow to the brain and heart. But flavonoids can also improve blood flow to your retina, which is the light-sensitive layer of your eye that processes visual information. This can improve your visual acuity and contrast sensitivity, which are important for seeing clearly and distinguishing objects from their background. In a recent study done in 2018, researchers found that participants who ate 47 grams of dark chocolate, or about 1 small bar, had improved visual performance 2 hours after consumption compared to those who ate white chocolate. The dark chocolate group had a 17% increase in contrast sensitivity and a 12% increase in visual acuity. Contrast sensitivity is the ability to distinguish between different shades of gray, while visual acuity is the sharpness of your vision. These are important factors for everyday tasks such as reading, driving, or working on a computer. So how can you enjoy the benefits of dark chocolate without overdoing it? The key is to choose high-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, which contains more flavonoids and less sugar and fat. You can eat a small piece of dark chocolate as a snack, or use it to make desserts, smoothies, or hot chocolate. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they also have amazing benefits for your eyes and vision. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of vitamin A, which is vital for your eye health. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of your eyes from infections and inflammation. It also helps produce a pigment called rhodopsin, which enables you to see in dim light. Without enough vitamin A, you may suffer from night blindness, dry eyes, or even permanent vision loss. In a 2013 study, researchers found that people who ate more than 100 grams of sweet potatoes per day had a 25% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration than those who ate less than 70 grams per day. Sweet potatoes are also rich in other antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and age-related diseases. Sweet potatoes are very easy to incorporate into your diet. You can bake them, mash them, roast them, or make fries out of them. You can also add them to soups, casseroles, or salads. Just make sure you eat them with some fat, such as butter, oil, or cheese, to enhance the absorption of vitamin A and other nutrients. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods for eyesight, as it contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and niacin, which play various critical roles for eye health. First of all, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for the formation and function of the photoreceptors in your retina, which are the cells that convert light into signals for your brain to process. Without enough omega-3s, especially DHA, your vision can become blurry, dim, or even lost. Vitamin D, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory and anti-angiogenic properties, which means it can slow down the growth of new blood vessels in the eye that can cause damage and vision loss. And finally, niacin or vitamin B3 can prevent the nucleus of the lens from becoming deficient in nutrients, which can lead to cataract formation. In a 2019 study, researchers found that people who ate more than 2 servings of oily fish per week, such as salmon, had a 42% lower risk of developing macular degeneration than those who ate less than 1 serving per week. There are many ways to enjoy this tasty fish, such as grilling, baking, broiling, or poaching it. Just make sure you choose wild-caught salmon over farmed salmon, as it has more omega-3 fatty acids and less contaminants. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach and other leafy greens such as kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin. These are the plant pigments that accumulate in the retina of your eyes and act as natural sunglasses. They filter out harmful blue light and prevent oxidative damage to your eye cells. Spinach also contains beta-carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. In a study done in 2014, researchers found that participants who ate 75 grams of cooked spinach every day for 6 months had increased levels of lutein by 87% and zeaxanthin by 68%. Another study done in 2017 found that eating 100 grams of raw spinach every day for 2 weeks reduced eye fatigue and improved visual performance by 16%. If you're not a fan of spinach, don't worry, there are many ways to incorporate it into your diet without even noticing it. You can blend it into smoothies, juices, or soups. You can add it to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or pizzas. You can mix it with cheese, eggs, or meat. Number 7. Oranges. Oranges are not only delicious and nutritious, but also great for your eyes. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps prevent eye damage from free radicals. But that's not all. Oranges also contain flavonoids, which are plant compounds that give fruits and vegetables their color. These flavonoids have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, which can help protect your eyes from infections and diseases. In a recent study done in 2018, researchers found that participants who ate at least 1 orange a day had a 60% lower risk of developing AMD than those who never ate oranges. The researchers attributed this effect to the flavonoids in oranges, which appeared to protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. So, what are you waiting for? Grab an orange and enjoy its delicious taste and amazing benefits for your eyes. Try to eat at least 1 orange per day, and choose organic or unwaxed ones whenever you can. Number 8. Berries. Berries are another group of fruits that can benefit your eyes. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, which is a type of pigment that gives them their vibrant colors and protects your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to diseases. Anthocyanins also help improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your eyes and enhance your night vision and contrast sensitivity. In a 2012 study, researchers found that participants who ate more than 2 servings of berries per week had a 34% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD. You can eat berries fresh or frozen, or add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, cereal, or granola. Some of the best berries for your eyes are blueberries, bilberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Number 9. Almonds. Almonds are one of the best nuts for your eyes and vision. They are packed with vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the cells of your eyes from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Vitamin E plays a vital role in slowing the progression of sight loss conditions and maintaining optimal eye health. You should aim for about 22 international units, or 15 milligrams of vitamin E a day, and a handful of almonds can provide you with almost half of that amount. Almonds are also packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in your eyes. In a study done in 2019, researchers found that participants who consumed 20% of their daily calories from almonds for 16 weeks had significantly improved visual acuity and contrast sensitivity. You can snack on almonds raw or roasted, or add them to your salads, cereals, granola, or yogurt. You can also make your own almond butter, milk, or flour. Number 10. Water. Last but not least, water is the most essential and simplest drink for your eyes. Water helps your eyes stay hydrated and lubricated, and prevents dry eyes, eye strain, and eye fatigue. Water also helps your eyes flush out toxins and waste products and maintain a healthy intraocular pressure. So, how can you drink more water? Well, you can drink it plain or with some lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries. You can also drink herbal teas, coconut water, or sparkling water, or eat water-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, soups, or salads. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and avoid caffeinated, alcoholic, or sugary drinks, as they can dehydrate your eyes. So, these were the best 10 foods that can protect your eyes and improve your vision. By including them in your daily diet, you can nourish your eyes with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and hydration, and enjoy a clearer and brighter sight. Of course, eating healthy is not enough. You also need to take care of your eyes by wearing sunglasses, avoiding smoking, limiting screen time, and having regular eye exams. Remember, your eyes are the windows to your world, so treat them well, and they will reward you with a beautiful view. Now we want to hear from you. Do you eat some of these foods regularly? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.